ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಕತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋ?
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Welcome to the School of Engineering at Dayanand Sagar University, Main Campus, Harohaldi, Kanakapura Road, Bangalore. A place that values research, innovation and creativity. Our industry-aligned curriculum offers a blend of theoretical knowledge, practical experience, academic projects and internships for a rewarding career in engineering. With an interdisciplinary approach, you can explore your interests by selecting open electives. The on-campus innovation labs, led by professors of practice, provide immersive learning and expertise to find the best solutions to real industry problems and give a different dimension to the students' mini and major academic projects. Our Center for Entrepreneurship supports startup opportunities and provides a perfect platform to launch your next big idea into successful ventures. We also prepare you for advanced studies in the latest futuristic technologies. Our BTech programs offer the perfect combination of academic rigor and functional experience in this ever-evolving technological landscape of the future. Experience a whole new world of academic excellence in a global environment. Dayanand Sagar University. Live the dream. Nestled within the beautiful and peaceful setting of Dayanand Sagar University's Harohaldi campus is the prestigious College of Nursing, where you embark on a transformative journey as we flawlessly fuse academic expertise with practical skills through our advanced curriculum. Renowned for our focus on innovation and advancement, our experienced faculty members are at the forefront of the nursing field, constantly incorporating the latest advancements in technology and research into the curriculum. Our pioneering facilities, including simulation labs and clinical training rooms, provide an immersive, real-world healthcare environment. The Harohaldi campus is a modern and supportive community, complete with all necessary amenities, and provides the perfect, serene environment for students to focus on their studies and achieve their goals. Join our vibrant community and prepare for a successful career in nursing.
Sir, over to you.
Yeah, Mr. Ravi, you can give it to Mallikarjun, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mallikarjun, sir.
Yeah, calling from Dayanand Sagar University. Am I speaking to Vishal Kumar?
Are you there, Mallikarjun, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
And
clear
this is-
now.
And now MH Bagli, this is, I'll be available as a coordinator now onwards, sir.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
You can take over the session.
Yes.
In between, sir, I think in the chat box only students will be asking the questions. You can check a chat box and
Okay, sir.
give the clarification. Dear students, my name is MH Bagli. My number is shared in the group. The same myself and Mr. Ravi's number has been shared. If any confusion or any clarification, you can directly contact me either WhatsApp or call or messaging. I'll be your coordinator from today onwards till 13th of May. Thank you, Mallikarjun sir. Take over the session, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, the first topic is the inverse trigonometric functions. In the inverse trigonometric functions, you have some of the results, and recently you have appeared for the PUC exam, right? So we'll straight away start the some problems and techniques how to apply, right? Now I am taking the first question. Now tan inverse of 1/2 plus tan inverse of 1/3 is equal to what? Right. So we know the formula of this one is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Right, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Right, children. Now this one we are going for tan inverse of 1/2 plus 1/3 by 1 minus 1/2 into 1/3. Right. So that equal to tan inverse of, you will get to do the LCM. So 3 plus 2 by 6 minus 1 is equal to tan inverse of 5/5. LCM will get cancelled, tan inverse of 1. So that answer is 5/4. Now the second option is the right option. Right. Now the same question, I am going to do the another method. So the shortcut method which I am going to apply here, the shortcut method is tan inverse of, you have to memorize this result, tan inverse of x by y plus tan inverse of y plus y minus x by y plus x, which is equal to 5/4. So how to apply this rule? Tan inverse of x by y plus tan inverse of y minus x by y plus x equal to 5/4. Now, what we need to do is, when you see the problem, just have a check before solving the problem. X and y, add them, will get x plus y in the denominator of the other term, x and y, and difference of y and x is y minus x. So if these are true, then the answer is 5/4. Now you check it 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2, I am getting 3. So 3 is the denominator of the next term. Then 2 minus 1, I am getting the difference is 1. That is there in the numerator of the next term. That is 1/3, we got it. So this answer I can straight away 5/4. Now I can give you one more standard question. It is x by y. You take the minus common here, tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y. So this is also true, is the 5/4. Now I'll give you one more example. Tan inverse of 2023 by tan inverse of, tan inverse of 2024 plus tan inverse of 1/4047 is also equal to 5/4. Because 2023 and 2024, add them, you will get 4047. The difference of 2024 and 2023 is 1. Right? Now, option B is the right option. Yes, Asher, Sanjana, Rakshit. Right. Good. Next. So this is the one shortcut we can see. There are one more question, I will take it. This is also very important. So the questions which comes in the different right. So right. Now question number 63. Now this part, secant inverse x plus secant inverse y plus secant inverse z equal to 3 pi. Then xy plus yz plus zx. How to proceed for this type of questions? Sanjana, Rakshit. Anybody else? Secant inverse x plus secant inverse y plus secant inverse z equal to 3 pi. Then xy plus yz plus zx. Anybody else? Right. Now the secant inverse x. Now I'll take into this form. Actually, inverse means an angle. Here, sum of three angles equal to 3 pi is given. Sum of three angles equal to 3 pi. So, when the sum of three angles equal to 3 pi, each angle is how much? 60 degrees. I'll divide with the number of angles. The sum is given 3 pi and divide with 3, you will get 60, 60, 60. Secant inverse x plus secant inverse y plus secant inverse z equal to 3 pi. Right. Now, when you will get secant 60, what is the value of secant 60? It is 2. So, x equal to y equal to z equal to, all we are getting as 2 only. Right. Now, sorry, it is 1 pi, not 60. Divide with 3. So we are getting as what? Pi. So secant 180 is -1. X equal to y equal to z equal to -1. So xy plus yz plus zx is equal to -1 into -1 plus -1 into -1 plus -1 into -1. You are getting as 3. So third option is the right option. Now you can check it. Option B is wrong, Rakshit, and Sanjana wrong. Option C again, Rakshit has given third option. As Ashas has given option C is correct. So 3 is the right option. Right. Next, I'll go for the one more question. It is a very, very important model question. Now, can you try for this question? Now, sigma I equal to 1 to 20, sin inverse xi equal to 10 pi, then I equal to 1 to 20 xi. How to solve? Anybody else? Amok. Which one more? So previous one I should explain once again. Right. Now if you say this one, secant inverse x plus secant inverse y plus secant inverse z equal to 3 pi. That means the sum of three angles equal to pi. Each angle is pi. What is the secant pi value? -1. Right? So x equal to y equal to z equal to -1. Because the secant pi is what? -1. Secant inverse of -1 is what? Pi. Correct? So after knowing of the xyz values, we'll substitute in the question. What is the question is given? Xy plus yz plus zx. Right? It's clear? Amok? Right. Next. Now comes to the next question. I equal to 1 to 20, sin inverse of xi equal to 10 pi. So we will get as sin inverse of x1, sin inverse of x2, plus so on, sin inverse of x20 equal to 10 pi. So 10 pi I can write 20 into pi by 2. Shall I write this one? 20 into pi by 2. Correct? So that means 20 into pi by 2 is nothing but 10 pi. So how many terms we have left side? 20 terms are there. That's why 20 into angle 2. So each angle, how much you are going to get? 90 degrees, 90 degrees, so on, 90. So sin 90 is how much? 1. So x1 equal to x2 equal to x3, so on, is x20 equal to 1. Right? He wants sigma I equal to 1 to 20 xi. Right? So x1 plus x2 plus up to how many terms? 20 terms. Right? So 1 plus 1 plus 1, so on, 20 terms. So your answer is 20. Right? So first option is the right option. Right? Somebody has given C0. Yeah. Now Amog has given reply for that. Understood. Option C, Vashwaras, wrong there. Anonymous, wrong. Ramesh, 20 is correct. Rakshit, yes. First option is correct. Right. 20 is the answer. Right. Most of them, they have given the first option. Right. Good. Next. Now, like that, we have some questions. No? Next, similar. This is also like that only. You can try for homework. This question. Same, like a previous problem. Right? Previous problem is given numbers. Here it is given that unknown up to 2n. Next. Now, I'll take this 88. The value of tan inverse of A lambda by BC plus tan inverse of B lambda by CA plus tan inverse of C lambda by AB, where A, B, C belongs to R plus and lambda equal to A plus B plus C is equal to. Right. Now, how to do this problem? Anybody else who's having idea about it? Anybody else? Bindusri, sir, previous question angle was pi and present question how angle will be 90 degrees, sir. I'll tell you more. Now the previous question, we have taken 3 pi. How many angles are there? Secant inverse x, secant inverse y, secant. How many angles are there? 3 angles are there. So we have to divide the 3 pi, divide with 3 angles. So 3 pi by 3, how much will get? Pi. So that's why each angle we have taken pi. Here, how many angles are there? 20 angles are there. 20 angles means 20 into pi by 2. 10 pi I have written. Question. That question we have written as 20 into pi by 2. So 20 into pi by 2, it's become how much for now? Each angle is how much? 20 into 90 only. No, each angle is 90. So 90, 90, 90. Is it clear, Bindusri? Bindusri? Is clear? Right. Yes, right. Next. Now, 88. The value of tan inverse of A lambda by BC plus tan inverse of B lambda by CA plus tan inverse of C lambda by AB equal to what? Now, what I will do is lambda equal to A plus B plus C is given. Okay. So take it as let. You can assume that A equal to B equal to C equal to 1 and lambda equal to A plus B plus C. So that equal to, so 1 plus 1 equal to 3. I took A, B, C values are 1 because you can take it as any real number which is plus 2. Right? So tan inverse of, substitute in the question, that is A value is 1, B value is 1, C value is 1, then lambda is root 3. Lambda is, what you will get? 3. Lambda is 3 plus tan inverse of root 3 plus tan inverse of root 3. Right? So how many you got it? Tan inverse of root 3, tan inverse of root 3, tan inverse of root 3. 3 terms you got it. 3 into tan inverse of root 3. So root 3 value, how much you'll get? When you'll get root 3 in tan, which angle you'll get? It is 60 degrees. So 3 into 60, how much? 180. So 180 is the right option. Right? So what option you people gave? Bindu Sri, Sneha. Second option, SS. Option D. How you got option D, my SS? Apurva B, Bhagyasri. Most of them they gave that second option. Sahana, Rakshit, Apurva. Everyone is given second option. How you got SS? Fourth option. Once again cross check. Right. Ritu, raise the hand. What is the requirement of Ritu? Right. Next. Now, can you guess what is the answer for this question? It is a previous examination question. Tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y is equal to. Can you guess what is your answer? Right. Most of the people, they have given the right answer only. I'll check it for C. Yes, it is the shortcut I told you. Third option is the right option. Because x and y, sum of them is denominator, difference of this one is x minus y. Correct? Take the minus common, you will get plus. Right, good. Next. Now, the value of sine inverse of cos 43 pi by 5. How to proceed? How to proceed? Anybody else? Anybody else? Raghav Bhatt? Right. Sine inverse of cos 43 pi by 5. Right. Now I have to get the one of these options. No? So we know the formula is sine inverse of sin x. Sine inverse of sin x is x when x is belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 closed interval, right? Principal value is x. Now it is 43 pi by 5 is there. So I have to divide 5, that 43. So I have to divide this one. What I will get? 5 8 40. So 3. Right. So 43 pi by 5 can be written as cos of 8 pi plus 3 pi by 5. Just we have to divide with 5. We have to get the value for first this one. 43 pi by 5. Between this interval I should bring, or some values I should bring. Okay, it is 8 cycles now. 2 pi we can write is 4 into 2 pi. 4 cycles completed, again comes to the first quadrant. So cos of first quadrant is positive. Cos 3 pi by 5. Now this one, it is how much? 3 pi by 5 means 5, how many times it goes? 36. 108 degrees. Correct now? Yes or no? So this again I need to bring it is cos 180 minus 2 pi by 5. Right, 5 pi by minus 2 pi by 5. This comes in that interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So that equal to, or you can write it as pi by 2. I'll write here only. Minus 2 pi by 5. So that equal to minus sine 2 pi by, no, sorry. This is cos. Cos 2 pi by 5. Right? So this I will write as sine. Yes. How to write this one? Minus, I'll keep it outside only. Sine 90 minus 2 pi by 5. I can write. So that equal to sine inverse of minus cos 2 pi by 5 is minus sine inverse cos 2 pi by 5. Right? So that I can write it as sine inverse of sine 5 minus pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 5. Sine 90 minus theta is what? Sine theta. That equal to minus sine inverse of that sine inverse will go off. What is left now? Pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 5. Do the LCM minus 10 is the LCM. 5 pi minus 4 pi is minus pi by 10. Right? So how many people they gave fourth option? C. Everyone is given C, but it is fourth option. Chaitra, it is fourth option, not the third option. Right? So everybody has given Ashas has given the option D. Check it. Elizabeth Apurva has given correct answer. Elizabeth is given correct answer. Right? Chaitra, check once again. Anonymous, Rakshit, Sahana, Kavya, Surabhi, check it once again. Right. Now, try this question. The principal value of, I'll give you 1 minute time. Check it. Cos inverse of cos of minus 680. What is the answer? What is the answer? Anybody else? Anybody else? Somebody has given. Vidya D has given. Okay. Madhavi. Okay. Chaitra has given previous question answer. Okay. Madhavi. A, C is given. Different answers are getting. Let me check. Okay. Now I'll go for the cos inverse of cos minus 680. We know the formula is cos inverse of cos theta is theta when theta belongs to 0 to pi. But it's a 680. I cannot take. Right? First, I will eliminate the sign cos of minus 680. So that is cos inverse of cos of 680. Now cos 680 I will calculate separately. Cos 680 can be written as cos 720 minus 40 is how much? 720 minus 40 is 680. Correct? So 720 minus 40 means cos 40. Right? Cos 40. So that equal to cos inverse of cos 40 can be written as 40 degrees. But we have to convert into radians, no? Into pi by 180 is equal to 0, 0 will get cancelled, 2 pi by 9. So A is the right option. Right? So some of the people, they have given the different options, and most of them, they have given the A option. See why most of them, they have given C. A, Elizabeth is given correct. C. Right? Okay. Next. Is clear this type of questions, you have to see the principal value, how to calculate. Next. Another type of questions, how to change. You have to write one among them. Yes. The value of cot of sin inverse x is, the value of cot of sin inverse x is root of 1 plus x square by x and x by root of 1 plus x square, 1 by x, root of 1 minus x square by x. What is your answer? What is your answer? Anybody else? B, option D. Some people, they are giving the D, B. Check it. So B, D, right. Let me check. So cot of sin inverse x. I have to write cot of cot inverse. What I should write here? You take the right angle triangle. Take the right angle triangle. And in that, sin inverse x, how to write? So x is opposite side, 1 is the hypotenuse. This value is root of 1 minus x square. So can be written as cot inverse of root of 1 minus x square by x. Root of 1 minus x square by x. Right. So your answer is cot inverse of root of 1 minus x square by x. Right? So the D option is the right option. Right? Yes. Most of them, they have given the D is the right option. Good. Good. Vaishnavi, Shushmita. Shushmita, how you got the B answer? No? Check it once again. Bhagyasri, D is given. Before you have given A, check it. Bhagya. Right. Next. Now, cot inverse x equal to pi by 10. Is one of the important model question. No? Then the value of tan inverse x is. Who can do this problem? Tan inverse x equal to pi by 10. Who will give the answer for this one? Anybody else? Anybody else? Right. I'll explain. Some of the people they have given, we'll check it whether it is a right or wrong option. Right. Tan inverse x equal to pi by 10. We know one rule. Identities. Sin inverse, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to how much? Pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Right? Now, tan inverse x is given pi by 10. So I wanted cot inverse x. Cot inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. So that equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is what? Pi by 10. Right? Do the LCM. So 10 is the LCM. Then 5 pi minus 5 equal to 4 pi by 10. It is 2 pi by 5. 2 pi by 5. So second option is the right option. Now we'll check for that. Second option, yes. Everyone, almost most of them, they have given the second option. And first they have given some other options. Check it, who got the wrong answer. Right, Ritu also got same answer. Vaishnavi, Sneha, Yashas, Raghav Bhatt, Rakshit, Ramesh. D you have given, Ramesh. Raghav Bhatt, tell me, you message me, chat box. Right. Next. Now, this is a different question. Domain of tan inverse x. Sin inverse of 2x. What is the domain of sin inverse 2x? Domain. Domain of sin inverse of 2x. So 10 minus 2y is 8. Raghav, what is the 10 minus 2? No. LCM is 2 and 5, 2 and 10 is the LCM is 10 now. Correct? How the 10 minus 2? You have done this way, na? 10 pi, if you do 10 pi minus 2 pi is 2 into 10. That equal to 8 pi by 2 into 10. That is 4 pi by 10. That equal to what? 2 pi by 5. Correct only. No? What's where you went wrong? Raghav? Clear? Right. Everyone is giving second option. Vaishnavi, Spurti. Third option went Rakshita. D option. Rakshita, last class one omega concept you have missed out. Did you go through that one? Rakshita? Option D is given. Rakshita. Bhumika is given A. Ashas is given option C. Harsha is given B. Right, we'll check what is the right option. Now, domain of sin inverse of 2x. Now we know that domain of sin inverse x is domain is x lies between -1 and +1. Now, but here 2x is there. 2x lies between -1 and +1. Right? Divide with 2. Divide with 2. Minus of less than or equal to x less than or equal to +1 by 2. C is the right option. This type of questions you have to be very careful to do the domain of any function. What does the mean by domain? Domain is the set of values for which the function is defined. The definition of the domain is the set of values of x, the set of values of x for which the function is defined, for which the function is defined, for which the function is defined. Right? Any other doubts? Right. Now, why we should multiply here? Because I wanted sin inverse of 2x. 2x should lies between -1 and 1. If I multiply this one with 2, what you will get? minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 I'll get. So if I write this one sine inverse of 2x can be written as now sine inverse of 2. If I write sine inverse of 2, is it defined ma? Sine inverse of 2? Not defined, no. Rakshita. Understood now? Right. Good girl. Right. So we have to calculate the x value. Suppose if x equal to 1 by 2, sine inverse of 1 I'll get, it is defined. Minus of means sine inverse of minus 1. It is defined. Correct? But sine inverse of 2 is not defined. Okay, next. What is the principal value of sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2? It's a very simple question. I think most of the people, they can give the answer for this one. The principal value of sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2. Anybody else? Sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2. Option B. Yes, we're absolutely right now. Rakshita, Vaishnavi, Pashwaraj, Apurva, Anonymous, Ashash, Bhumika, right. Most of them, they have given the B option. No? It's a direct question. Minus pi by 3. Sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2, we can write minus of sine inverse of root 3 by 2. When you get root 3 by 2, 60 degrees, minus pi by 3. Right? Next. Now I'll go for this question. Right? The value of cot inverse of what is the answer? Chaitra, C na? Rakshita, C. Are you sure? Are you sure? Bashwaraj, everyone is giving option C. Some of the people, they have given option C. And some people, they gave B option. Right, we'll check more now. Asha's option D is given. Sushmita is given option B. Let me check. This one, root of 1 minus sin x can be written as root of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Right. So this is written as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So root of 1 plus sin x can be written as directly is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Right? So I can write cot inverse of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So minus minus will get cancelled. Cot inverse of 2 cos x by 2. Then cos will get cancelled. Minus 2 sin x by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Cot inverse of minus cot x by 2. So cot inverse of minus x formula is what? Equal to pi minus cot inverse of x. Right? So you should be very good at formulas. No? That's why I'm giving each and every problem formula, that is pi minus cot inverse of x by 2. That equal to pi minus x by 2. So fourth option is the right option. Correct. I think Yashas is given fourth option, I think. Raghav Bhatt is given fourth option. Rakshita is given fourth option. Manu, option D. Bhagyasri. Yeah, Shushmita Rathod, tell me. Drop the message now. Sarvesh, fourth option. Chaitra, see, check it now. Chaitra, anonymous, Rakshit, Suhas, Kavya. Check it. Ritu, D. Writer. Next. Now, I want to do this type of questions. Who can give you that one general question? I'll give you. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. Not sine inverse. Yeah. 1 by 2 sine inverse of cos inverse of 3 by 5. How to do now? Very important model question. Sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse of 3 by 5. Anybody else? You have to tell the answer. I didn't give the options, sir. Anybody else? Right. It's a different question. Right. Whenever between the two functions, any number is there, here sine function is there, here cos inverse is there. Between any numbers, if you have any number, at that time, you take it as cos inverse of 3 by 5 equal to theta, then 3 by 5 equal to cos theta. 3 by 5 equal to cos theta. Right? 3 by 5 equal to cos theta. Now, I want it sine theta by 2 because the theta is cos inverse of 3 by 5. Sine theta formula is what? Root of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. But I want sine theta by 2. Root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. That equal to root of 1 minus cos theta 3 by 5 by 2 equal to root of 5 minus 3, 2. 2 by 5 by 2 is 2 will get cancelled 1 by root 5. 1 by root 5. Right? Is clear all of you? All of you is clear? Right. 1 by root 5 is the answer. Now I'll give you one more question. You can try. Tan 1 by 2 sine inverse of sine inverse of, we can write 3 by 5. 3 by 5.
Mallikarjun sir,
Sir.
sorry to disturb you, sir.
Sir.
Why Sakshi is asking to explain once again for the previous problem.
Previous problem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This one only sine of 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse of 3 by 5. So what we have to take is, whenever we have between the two functions, any number is there, then you take cos inverse of 3 by 5 is theta. So 3 by 5 equal to cos theta. Right? So now we have sine theta in terms of cos formula. that is root of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. But I require sin theta by 2 here, not sin theta. Sin theta by 2 is root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Right. So 1 minus cos theta is what here? I will write here 1 minus cos theta, that is 3 by 5 by 2. When I do the LCM, 5 minus 3, 2 by 5, then 2. 2 will get cancelled, 1 by root 5. So 1 by root 5 I have written. So sin theta by 2 is 1 by root 5. Is it clear? Swati, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it clear, Swati?
Yes, sir. She is clear, sir.
Okay.
Just 1 minute. Student, this is MH Bagli. Whenever you are asking any question, once sir is clarified, immediately put in a Q&A box or chat box cleared, so that sir will get confirmed that you got your doubt cleared. Thank you. Thank you, Mallikarjun sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Now, next, a similar type of question I have given, tan of 1 by 2 sin inverse of 3 by 5. Again, sin inverse of 3 by 5, you take it as theta. Sin inverse of 3 by 5 is theta. Is again, you take it as theta. Right? So, I'll go for the sin inverse of 3 by 5 equal to theta. I'll get 3 by 5 equal to cos theta, sin theta. Now it is tan theta by 2. Because sin inverse of 3 by 5 is theta, that is theta by 2. But tan theta by 2, we have formula. What is the Elizabeth? Tell me what we have doubt. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Suppose if it is tan 1 by 3, sin inverse of 3 by 5 instead of tan 1 by 2. See here 1 by 3 we don't have any results, only we have 1 by 2 only, right? 1 by 2 or twice of that one. 1 by 3 we don't have results to that to write it. Okay, there? Spurti. Right? Next 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 3 by 5. But I required what? Cos I want to get. From this we know that this is 3, 5, 4 and this is theta. Cos theta equal to 4 by 5. I'll write root of 1 minus 4 by 5 by 1 plus 4 by 5. Do the LCM. You will get 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 by 5 and then 5 will get cancelled, 1 by 3 you will get the answer, final answer. Okay, now all of you clear this question? 1 by 3 is the answer, right? No, Akshita. Correct. Yeah, Elizabeth. Rakshita. Yes, right. Now I will give you similar type of question. Instead of 1 by 2, now the question is this way. Sin of 2 cos inverse of 3 by 5. Sin of 2 cos inverse of 3 by 5. Sin of 2 cos inverse of 3 by 5. Right. So, how to do? Anybody else? Anybody else? Chaitra? Right. Now, again, between the two functions, we got it as what? Number is there. Then take it as cos inverse of 3 by 5 equal to theta. 3 by 5 equal to cos theta. Right? Keep it as it is. Now, I'll get sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta formula is what? Cos inverse of 3 by 5 equal to theta. 2 theta. That is 2 sin theta cos theta. What is the sine theta from the diagram? Already we know sine theta is 3 by 5. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Right? Cos theta is 4 by 5. Now, oh, sorry, here it is. Previous problem I took, sorry. Now this is the problem. Cos theta equal to 3, here this question, yeah, sorry. 3 by 5 and 3 by 5, take the right angle triangle. Yes. Now, this is what here? 3, 5, 4. This is theta. Right? Sin theta equal to how much you'll get? 4 by 5. And cos theta is 3 by 5 equal to 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 3, 24. 24 by 25 is the answer. So, first option is the right option. Is clear? Now, this is the one model questions. And next model questions are to find the value of x. To find the value of x, I'll take one question so that you will understand. Yes. To tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus sin inverse x equal to pi by 2, then x equal to what? 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus sin inverse x equal to pi by 2, then x equal to what? Right? So to do this type of questions, first what I will do is 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2. Take sin inverse x right side. It is pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. It is nothing but cos inverse x. Left side 2 tan inverse x formula, that is tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square equal to tan inverse of, do the LCM, 2 goes to the numerator, that is 4 by 4 minus 1, 3 you'll get cos inverse x. Take right angle triangle, you'll get cos inverse of 3 by 5 equal to cos inverse x. Therefore, 3 by 5 is nothing but x. Now here, I want to tell you one important formula. Already we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to how much? 90. So, pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse x equal to cos inverse x. That is the what I have written here. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse x is what? Cos inverse x. Now, tan inverse of 4 by 3. We can write it as, take right angle triangle. So, here it is 4, 3, and 5. Now, cos inverse become 3 by 5. So, on either side, same functions. I can take the inputs x equal to 3 by 5. Right? Now, we have done all types of questions. No? You have to try some more questions from your end. Now, I'll go for the linear inequalities. One of the tricky, one of the important model questions. I can go ahead with what? Linear inequalities. Linear inequalities. Right? So when you are doing the linear inequalities, how to proceed for that? Right, I will explain that wavy curve method. Wavy curve method. Say for example, x square minus 5x plus 6 less than or equal to 0. I want to solve this equation. First, let me explain some concept about it. Then we can do the problems. X square minus 5x plus 6 less than or equal to 0. How to solve this equation? Any idea about it? Any idea solving this equation? how much for SC student? SC student is 1/4 of the marks are enough. But 1/4 minimum means 1/4 means what? 180 means 1/4 means 45 questions. Even for 35 also you will get qualify only. Okay, na? Jathal. Jathalal. Okay, na? Right. Okay, first year. Right. Sir, first year topics, please do little revision and then do questions. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Now this is the first year topics. So that's what I want to explain the first concept, then we'll go for the problems. Okay, then? Right. X square minus 5x plus 6 less than or equal to 0. So when you are going for this one, first we need to do the factors. X minus 2, x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Linear factors. Equate each linear factor to 0. Then x minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to what? 3. Right? So I got 2 and 3. Take the number line. That number line, how to take? Right? So I'll go for the number line. Sorry. Okay. X minus 3 less than or equal to 0. X equal to 2. X equal to 3. Now I'll go for minus infinity plus infinity. Right? Next. Okay. Then put it on the number line 2 and 3. Right? So number line means from positive infinity, we have to start with the above. Then when you are reaching to the next critical point, it has to pass through the critical point down. Then again, next critical point 2, then go up and meet the minus infinity. Right. Above this line, we will take plus. Here also will take plus. Below this line, we will take it as negative. Is it clear, all of you? Above this line, we'll take positive. Below this line, we'll take it as negative. So wavy curve starts from positive infinity to that critical point. Wherever we get the critical point, that critical point, we have to pass through the critical point. And again, we have to pass through the. So if the curve is coming from up, we have to come through this critical point down. Again, through the critical point, we have to move to up. Again, we have to come down through the next critical point, alternatively. Right? Here, less than 0 is there. That means negative. Okay? Negative. Next, where we have a negative between these two, your answer is x belongs to 2, 3. So when the equal is there, I should take closed interval. Equal is there, I should take closed interval. Right? Now, if I do this problem, I want to explain this one. 1 by x less than or equal to 2. What is the right option? 1 by x greater than or equal to. Who can give the answer for this one? Who can give? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? 1 by x greater than or equal to? One by x greater than or equal to 2. Anybody else? Right. Somebody has given. No, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Now you see 1 by x greater than or equal to. We have to come with the 1 by x greater than or equal to. right? You do not cross multiply at any stage. Do not cross multiply at any stage. Then we will go for what? You can say 1 by x, you bring it left side, minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. 1 by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. 1 minus 2x by x greater than or equal to 0. Take negative common, no? Negative common. Then you will get 2x minus 1. Always make the coefficient of highest degree is positive. Here x negative, x coefficient is minus 2. Degree of this polynomial is 1. Then x coefficient is minus 2. That's why we have taken the minuses out. Then multiply by minus 1. We will get 2x minus 1 by x greater than become less than. Now critical points, 2x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to what? 1 by 2. Then x equal to 0, we'll get critical point. After knowing the critical point, next, now we need to calculate which interval that, which are the values of x. Now, we are going for here, first critical point is 0, next critical point is 1 by 2. Minus infinity plus infinity. Now again wavy curve method. I have to proceed wavy curve. Move positive to the 1 by 2. Through 1 by 2, go to the next critical point. Then again, through the critical point, you have to go up. So above this line is positive, then positive. Here it is negative. Between 0 and 1 by 2, x belongs to 0 and 1 by 2. Right? 0 and 1 by 2. Now I have to use the brackets. Equal means this is the positive. So here it is negative. Then I should use close bracket. So x belongs to 0, 1 by 2. Now to write this interval, what we need to put, which bracket we need to put first, all of you, which bracket I have to use? Let me know more. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else more? Anybody else? Right. Now, in this one, 0 I should not include, because 0 I should keep open. If I keep open, if I keep closed, then it is not defined. Then it is not defined.
Sorry to disturb you.
Some number by 0. Some number by 0 is not defined. Correct,
Malik,
sir?
This Jethalal, he's asking once again, show number line. Can you just, in the question answer he has asked, he wanted to know.
Yes, sir. One by one I'll take, sir. Just I'm explaining this one. I'll get back to that one again.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
0, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is closed. So 1 by 2 closed means that 1 by 2 comes in the numerator. 1 by 2 comes in the numerator. Right? Now, I'll go for this some number line. Here I'll take some example. Minus infinity, plus infinity. I am taking minus 1, minus 2, then 3, 4. Some numbers I took. Here we have to go for, we have to start with the positive infinity. Positive infinity to the critical point. Wherever we have critical point, that critical point we have to pass through them. Then again, we have to go for the next critical point. Through this point, we have to move to the up. Again, next critical point, minus 2. Through this one, we have to move to the again down. Again, next critical point, we have to go up. Then next critical point, we have to meet. Right? So above this one, we will take a plus. Below this line, we'll take it as negative. Right? Now, if I take one more example. Right? So here it is 1 by 3 minus the plus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 0, so not 0, 1 and 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus infinity, plus infinity. Now critical point is infinity to 4. I have to go from infinity to this 4 from above. Through this 4, I have to go for below. Through this 3, I have to go up. Through again, after moving up, again I have to come back to through 2. Then again I have to go back down. Then again I have to go to up through this wherever we have critical point. Then comes down, then go down, go up, down, and then like this. So plus above this line plus, plus, plus. Now below this one minus, 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 minus. Is it clear, all of you? Huh? Is it clear? Yeah, there is a equal to 0. If equal to 0, Rakshita, you will get it as that previous problem only you are asking, na? So when it is 0, then the problem is what actually? Jatalal, is it clear? Jatalal, it's clear? Yes. Now, see the previous problem, Rakshita. Now 1 by x greater than or equal to 2. Suppose if 0 is included, 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. Correct now. So not defined is not a finite number. Not a finite number. Can you compare with a finite number? Can you compare with the finite number? Rakshita? You cannot. Correct now. Right? That's why 0 is wherever you get not defined, we should not take that value if it is equal. Yes. Is it clear, Rakshita? Yes. Right. Next. Now, I'll go for some problems and modulus inequality also I want to explain here. So first let me check with the modulus. So mod of x less than or equal to a, then a less than minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. Very important. Mod x is greater than or equal to a, x less than or equal to minus a, or x greater than or equal to a. Right? X less than or equal to minus a or x greater than or equal to a. This is the mod x inequalities. If it is a mod x equal to a, then x equal to plus or minus a, provided a greater than 0. A greater than 0. Now I will take some questions based on this one. Right? Let me check first. Right? Now, one minute more. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll do this one. No? Right, Rakshita, that doubt is clear, ma? 0 why it is not included? Rakshita? Right, I will do 2-3 questions of the previous year's questions. Yes. Now, inequalities do not cross multiply at any stage. Right? So I'll do this question. Right. The set of values of x satisfying the inequality 4x minus 1 by 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to 1. So 4x minus 1 by 3x plus 1, bring the 1 left side minus 1 because we should not cross multiply inequalities at any stage. Right. So do the LCM 3x plus 1, then 4x minus 1 minus 3x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Minus 1, 4x minus 3x is x minus 2 by 3x plus 1. Right? Then less than or equal to 0. What is the critical point? X minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. Then 3x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to what? Minus 1 by 3. This is less than 0. I should take negative sign. Correct? Now, I'll go for the number line now. Number line. Here it is minus infinity plus infinity. Then minus 1 by 3, 2 is there. Right? So here I changed inequality. It is not greater than or equal to. We didn't multiply with any negative sign, right? It should be greater than or equal to 0. Right. So, Jetalal, we have to come up through this infinity, comes to this critical point, move down, again through this critical point up, then move down. So it is plus, then minus. Plus where and all you have, plus where and all you have, right? Plus where and all you have. So between these two. So x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 3, union 2 comma infinity. Now, how to take the bracket? 2 is included. If 2 is included, then I can get 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 by some number. It is included, defined. What about 1 by 3? If I keep minus 1 by 3, I'll get not defined. So, open. So your answer is C is the right option. Is it clear? Rakshita, yes. Yes. Anonymous, sir, how sign changes to less than or equal to? Less than means, now I didn't change it. By mistake, I've written less than, now I've written greater than only. Okay, na? In question number 16, yes. I've changed, Rakshita, sir, it is greater than sign. Yeah. I did mistake. Now I made it correct, right? Now correct, sir. Good. Rakshita, option C. Correct. Ramesh, option C. Correct. Now we'll go for the next previous year's question. In this one, previous year's questions will do it. In 2019, they asked one question. Okay, set. Mod of 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 2. Then what? So I give the formula is mod x less than or equal to a. Then minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a mod. Right? Now, so 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 2. Here it is minus 2. Now, finally, I have to get the value for x. Add 5. 5 minus 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 2 plus 5. 5 minus 2 is 3, less than or equal to, here I need to write plus 5, also here plus 5 less than or equal to 2 plus 5. So 5 will get cancelled, 3x less than or equal to 7. Now I want x divide with 3. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7 by 3. Now which is the right option? Second option is the right option. 2019 they gave this question. Right? Next. I'll go for the one more question. Yes. In 2017, they gave one more question. Right. Down. So this is not there. Right. How to do this one? Take this, the solution of the equation x square plus 6x minus 7 by mod of x plus 4 less than 0. So in inequalities, don't cross multiply at any stage. Keep it as this and do the factors in the numerator. X plus 7 into x minus 1 by mod of x plus 4 less than 0. Right? So mod x plus 4 equal to 0, x equal to minus 4. Right? Next. X plus 7 equal to 0, x equal to minus 7. X equal to 1, I got it, x equal to 1. Now take the critical point. Now we got the critical point, draw the number line. When you are drawing the number line, now what are the points we have to take? 1, minus 7, 1, then minus 4. This is minus 4, then 1. Right? Next. Here very important thing is for minus 4, mod of x plus 4. This is always positive, right? When you're drawing the number line, you should be very careful that mod of x plus 4 will be always positive, right? So whenever it is positive, then now first I have to bring it plus infinity to this critical point. I have to move down. Then when I go for minus 4, but minus 4 is mod of x plus 4 is positive. So whenever we have positive, sign will not change. That means I have to go down only again. Right? Wherever sign will not change, there I have to go with the, if it is above only I have to move. If it is down only I have to move. I should not go up. Now at minus 7, now this minus 7 is not modulus function. So I can go up. Right? Now try to understand here why we didn't cross this line minus 4, since mod of x plus 4 is positive. Since it is positive, it will not change the sign. Right? Because when it is not a positive number, then I can move it. Right? So this is plus sign, this is plus sign, and here minus, here also minus only. What we required here? I required minus sign. So what is the interval I required? Open interval. So your answer is between minus 7, minus 4, union, minus 4, and 1. Now which bracket I should keep? Open bracket. Now what is the answer you are getting? Minus 7, 4. Yes, ma'am. C is the right option. Right, children? It's a very important model question. I have done this one. Right? Right. Now I'll try one more question, ma'am. Any doubts are there? Yeah, Rakshita, option B, option D, Bhagyasri, option C. Correct. Any doubts, ma'am, in the inequalities? Any doubts? Yeah, sir, can you tell about those brackets, Harsha? So to tell about these brackets, we have to use, the concept is closed interval. Closed interval. X belongs to A comma B. A comma B. It is closed interval. That means A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B, which lies in this interval. And open interval. Open interval. So open interval, what I have to do is I have to keep open bracket. We should not use a square bracket. That means here equal won't be there. A less than X less than B. X lies between A and B. Is clear? Next, left open, right closed. Left open, right closed. Left open, right closed. So left open, right closed means X belongs to A comma B. Left open, right closed. That means A less than X less than or equal to B. Whichever is closed, that one we have to take equal. Whenever equal is there, we have to close. Now A is not included. Now the fourth point, left closed, right open, right open. At that time, we have to take A less than or equal to X less than B, or that is X belongs to left closed, right open. Right. Next. Another point is sometimes X greater than or equal to A. We don't know till where it is. Up to infinity, I can say. But infinity is not a finite number. We have to keep open. A is closed. We have to write the bracket is closed. Right? So fourth point, X less than or equal to A. So X belongs to up to minus infinity. It can go less than means minus A, minus infinity. It's not a finite. We have to keep open. And A is closed. I can keep like this. Right? Now, Rakshita, in the previous question, -7 is included, right, sir? Right, we'll check -7. Where we have done 1 minute, let me check. No, ma, because it is equal is not there, no. Was given Rakshita -7, that in the inequality equal is not there, no, there. Rakshita. Yeah, no, sir, it is not included. Good. Yes, sir. Right. Now, any other doubts? Is it clear for the brackets? Will you try one problem? I'll give you one question. I'll give you one question. This question you try me. This is one of the tricky question. You can try. Number of integer solutions. Integers he wants. He doesn't want real numbers. Right? We'll try together. You also try and we'll check final answer. X plus 2 by x square plus 1 minus of greater than 0. Do the LCM. 2x plus 4 minus x square minus 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 greater than 0. Now minus x square plus 2x plus 3 by 2 into x square plus 1 greater than 0. Right? So minus common I will take. Minus 2x minus 3 by 2 into x square plus 1 greater than 0. Right? Now multiply by minus 1. You will get x square minus 2x minus 3. X square minus 2x minus 3 by twice of x square plus 1 greater than become what? No? Less than, since we have multiplied by minus 1. Now numerator we can get the critical points. What are the critical points you get? X minus 3 into x plus 1 by twice of x square plus 1 less than 0. So x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1, x square plus 1 is not equal to 0, since x square is cannot be minus 1. Right? So no need to worry about it. Then we'll go for the number line. What is the number line? I can go ahead here. How I can go ahead with the number line? Yes. What is the interval you can get? Minus infinity to plus infinity. So minus 1 and 3. Right? 3. Then that's all. Right. We'll go for the positive infinity to 3. Then 3 to up. Then minus. So plus, minus, plus. So what is your answer between x belongs to minus 1 to 3? Right? But he is asking for what? This is for real. Now he wants integer. Integers he wants to. What are the integers between minus 1 and 3? How many integers are possible? Integers between minus 1 and 3. Between minus 1 and 3 is 0, 1 and 2. How many are there? 0, 1, 2, 3 are there. So which is the right option? D is the right option. 0, 1, 2. Is it clear? Is it one of the tricky question? It's not the real numbers he asked. Number of integers they ask question. Right? Clear? Ashos, option D. Ananas, answer 3. Rakshita, answer D is correct. Right. Any other doubts here? Inequalities? Any other doubts? I'll go for the one more common question here. I'll take one now. Where I can take a combination of the two inequalities. Combination of two questions. What I had to take a? Yes. When two inequalities are given, what we need to do? Right? Yes. The set of values of x for which the inequality is x square minus 3x minus 10 less than 0, 10x minus x square minus 16 greater than 0 hold simultaneously. Right. Now, how to do this question? Yeah. Bhagya, tell me more. How to proceed? So, x separately you solve it first. Minus 10 less than 0. What are the critical points you'll get? X minus 5, x plus 2 less than 0. Right? Equal is not there. Less than 0. So, x equal to 5, x equal to minus 2. X equal to 5 and x equal to minus 2. Right? Then, now what I have to do is here x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 2. Now draw the critical point number line. Minus infinity plus infinity. Minus 2 and 5. Start with the number curve, wavy curve method, 2, 5. Like this. Then above is positive, below is negative. Next. This is negative symbol and open interval. So x belongs to minus 2, 5. This is the first equation. Comes to the second equation. That is 10x minus x square minus 16 greater than 0. Then multiply by negative, that is x square minus 10x plus 16 less than 0. Less than 0. X square minus 10x plus 16 less than 0. You can get the x minus 2 and x minus 8 less than 0. X equal to and x equal to 8. Draw the number line. Draw the number line. Then take the numbers, that is 2, 8, minus infinity, plus infinity, wavy curve method from start and then go up, down, again up, then down. So plus, minus, then plus. Right? So I required negative. So between these two, x belongs to 2, 8. Open interval. Now, there are the two equations. No? I need common to both. Common to both. Common to both. So for that, what we need to do is common to both. Then, what are the numbers you have? Minus 2, 2, 5, 8. Between minus 2 and 5. And I'll draw one below the other or one above the other between minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 and 5. Next one. 2 and 8. Another number line. You can draw one below the other or one above the other. Right? So this color I will put red. Okay. Now, between these two, right, where we are getting the common area, no? Where we are getting the common area, we have to check it. So, this is the common area you are getting, correct? Yes or no? Now, so this part and this part is the common area, right? Yes or no? So your answer is between these two. So x belongs to 2, 5. It is one of the important model question. Closed will not come because it is nowhere we have equal. So 2, 5. Where is minus 2, 5, 2, 8? Yeah. D is the right option. Is it clear, all of you? Is clear, all of you? Right. D, everything, everybody has given the D option, B. Right? Next. Right? Next. With this, inequalities are completed, linear inequalities. Now I am going for the functions. So functions, to verify this one, very important is you should know the basic definition. Basic definition means what? Basic definition what more? Function. Function definition is F map A to B. Every element in A, every element in A, there exists at least one element, there exists at least unique image, at least unique image in B. Then it is called function. So we have like this circuit X and Y. So for every element, I should get unique image. So our definition is F of input equal to output. Function nothing but is a machine. For every machine, we require the input. We have to get the output. Input should be always in the finite number, and this also should be finite number. Right? Finite. F of input equal to output. Here input is what? X. Output is what? Y. So this is about the function definition. Number of elements in A. Right? Now here I can go ahead with the number of relations. What is the formula? Number of relations. Number of relations. What is the formula? Number of relations equal to 2 to the power of n of A into n of B. Number of functions. Very, very important. Last time they gave the question. Number of functions. That is n of B to the power of n of A. Third one. Number of non-functions. Number of non-functions equal to number of relations minus number of relations minus number of functions. Now 2 to the power of n of A into n of B minus n of B to the power of n of A. Right? Right. Now, very important, this points. Next, I'll go for the 1-1 function. 1-1 function. Now, 1-1 function means, so generally what you people are doing, how to verify the given function is 1-1 function means, you will take f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2, you will prove, correct na? But based on that, sometimes you may not able to trace out it is a 1-1 function. So you need to verify the concept is, this is the important definition you need to follow. Distant elements should have distant images, or different elements should have different images. F map A to B. Different elements should have different images. Different images. Then we say it is 1-1 function. So you know that how to draw the diagram. Now I'll take right? So 1, 2, 3, X, Y, Z. Right? That is F, A to B. So all the elements has the different images. So f of 1 equal to X, f of 2 equal to Y, f of 3 equal to what? No? Z. So all the different elements we have different images. Right? Next, any doubts are there in this one? What we have discussed? Codomain to the power of domain. Yes, you are right, no, Rakshita. Codomain to the power of domain. Correct, no? Definition. You are from which place, no, Rakshita? Which place and which college you are, Rakshita? Can you drop a message? Right. RNS college, where, ma? Bangalore? Are you from Bangalore?
It's Nagarbavi, sir.
Nagarbavi. Okay. Right. Good, ma, Rakshita. Yeah, Nagarbavi. Good. Right. Then, next, number of 1-1 functions. What is the definition for the number of 1-1 function? Number of 1-1 functions. Anybody else? Number of 1-1 functions? Yeah, tell me more. Sujal. Right. So number of 1-1 function means n of B permuted with n of A. That means number of elements in B permutations with n of A. You know NPR formula in permutations and combinations, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Sorry. N minus n factorial by n minus r factorial. That is what we have to apply. Number of non-1-1 functions. Number of non-1-1 functions. That means equal to number of relations, number of functions minus number of functions minus number of 1-1 functions. Number of 1-1 functions. Right? So, and verifying this 1-1 function, always use concept of different elements should have different images. No? Generally, working rule means you have studied in PUC this rule. What is that means? Let x1 comma x2 belongs to A, then f of x1 comma f of x2 belongs to the B, then such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. Therefore, x1 equal to x2, then you will say it is 1-1 function. Am I right for all of you? Okay, you should be very careful using this concept.
Sir, now break time it is 5:50 to 6:05.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Break time, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Dear students, there will be
Sure.
a break for 15 minutes. Now you will leave or you will finish it, sir?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Shall I just, okay, sir. Then we will discuss with the continue with the after the break. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Right.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dear students, exactly after 15 minutes, 2 minutes before only you join, 6:05, again class is going to continue. And very interesting class. And I'm really appreciating students who are responding. Charmila, Rakshita, Jethalal,
Bhagyashri, appreciations to you. You are really interacting very well. Whatever the efforts you put in now, that is going to gain you a lot of benefits in your CET exams. Dear students, try and understand. One question can change your ranking by 1,000 ranks. It means you can get a better colleges if you try on making one mark addition. See to it that you do work hard. No doubt it requires patience. ಅಷ್ಟು ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ 4 hours ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಯಾವ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ರವಿ ಸರ್ನು ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರವಿ ವರ್ಮಾ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. Meanwhile, I think Ravi sir will run a video of our Dayanand Sagar University. Dear students, look at choosing a good university after your CET exams. If you are getting CET well and good as an option, you can keep good universities. Dayanand Sagar University is also a premium university. To get admission, Dayanand Sagar University for B Pharma, engineering, and our B design courses, you need to take the Anand Sagar admission test. ಅದರದ್ದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಪಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಅಟ್ 6:05. ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ. 6:05 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6:05 ಬೇಡ, 6:02 ಅಥವಾ 6:03 ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೆಷನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬಗ್ಲಿ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Welcome to the School of Engineering at Dayanand Sagar University, Main Campus, Harohaldi, Kanakpura Road, Bangalore. A place that values research, innovation, and creativity. Our industry-aligned curriculum offers a blend of theoretical knowledge, practical experience, academic projects, and internships for a rewarding career in engineering. With an interdisciplinary approach, you can explore your interests by selecting open electives. The on-campus innovation labs, led by professors of practice, provide immersive learning and expertise to find the best solutions to real industry problems and give a different dimension to the students' mini and major academic projects. Our Center for Entrepreneurship supports startup opportunities and provides a perfect platform to launch your next big idea into successful ventures. We also prepare you for advanced studies in the latest futuristic technologies. Our BTech programs offer the perfect combination of academic rigor and functional experience in this ever-evolving technological landscape of the future. Experience a whole new world of academic excellence in a global environment. Dayanand Sagar University. Live the dream.
ये साला क्या बोल रहा है सर, ये तो
Another 2 minutes are there, students. Just wait. And who are yet to join, ask your friends to join back fast. I hope you have read the news that BSc Nursing as well is considered CET ranking now onwards. Dear students, what we suggest normally is try to gain good ranking in CET. Within 10,000 ranking, you are going to get good colleges. So CET is very crucial. CET important ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ CET ಇಂದಾನೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗೋದು, CET ಇಂದ BSc ಅಗ್ರಿ ಸಿಗೋದು, CET ಇಂದ BSc ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗೋದು, CET ಇಂದ BSc ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. BSc ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ BSc ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್, ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫಲ್ಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ CET ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದಯಾನಂದ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ, PUC ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಲಾರ್ನೋದಯ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಅದು ಹೈಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು 4 hours ತುಂಬಾ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಸ್, ಹೈಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಯು ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ CET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. CET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರುವಾಗ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಬುಕ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ವತಃ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಕಲ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ BSc ಅಗ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, BSc ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಂಬರ್, ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಂಬರ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ದೇರ್?
Mallikarjun sir?
Sir, I am there. I am there.
Okay, sir. You can carry on. It is
Okay.
6 students are joining back.
Okay, okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, no? Now, right. So we'll do some questions in the relations and functions. Now, which of the following is a function? So which of the following function means what is the formula? We have every element in A, there exists unique image in B. Then the relation from A to B is called what? Function. And no two elements should have the, no element should have the more than one image. Now here for two we have different. F of 2 we have 1, F of 2 also we have 2. So this is not a function. Since what is the function definition? Every element in A, there exists unique image in B. But for 2 we have the 2 images. So it's ruled out. Right. Now, when it comes to this 1, 4 and 2, 5, 1, so here again it is also not, because F of 1 we have 4, even F of 1 we have 6, ruled out. Then comes to here, for this again 1, 2, 1, 4 is there. This is ruled out. So what is the option we have here? For all the elements we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and outputs are what is there? 2, and then only 2 is there, right? So every element has unique image, right? And here why we said no, that means for one element has the 2 images. It's not possible in the function definition. That's why it's ruled out. Then comes to the domain and range of the function. We'll discuss one by one. Now symmetric, transitive, anti-symmetric. What is meant by the reflexive and symmetric and transitive? Right? So 1 plus AB, A related to B, 1 plus AB, reflexive. So reflexive property is A comma A belongs to R, right? So 1 plus AB, Sri Kanturi, what you have doubt? Charmila Reddy, first option is the right. Charmila Reddy, sir, option 4 is correct. Purva, Madhavika, Madhavi, fourth option. Now let me check more. Reflexive, A comma A, 1 plus AB greater than 0. Now 1 plus A square greater than 0. True. Correct? Reflexive. Comes to the symmetric one. What is the symmetric you have? A comma B is belongs to R. Then B comma A belongs to R. Therefore 1 plus AB is greater than 0. Then 1 plus BA is also greater than 0. True. Right? So symmetric. Comes to the transitive. Transitive. In the transitive, what you can say is, yeah, tell me more. Who are they? Yes, sir. Option A is correct. Manu. Option C is. Why option C? We'll see. Now we'll go for the transitive. Transitive means A comma B is belongs to R. B comma C is belongs to R. Then A comma C is belongs to R. A comma C belongs to R. Right? Now when you go for A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, A comma C belongs to R. Therefore 1 plus AB is greater than 0. 1 plus BC is also greater than 0. 1 plus AC is also greater than 0. Right? So combination of these two, I can say it is greater than 0. Transitive. If all three are there, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, so first option will be the right option. First option is the right option. So I think many of them, they're given the option A is correct. Rakshita, first option. Bhumika, first option. Charmila Reddy, A comma B belongs to set, B comma C belongs to set is, C comma A belongs to, yes, it is C comma, that is A comma C. Right? Right. Charmila is correct. Right. Now, next. N of A is M, then the maximum number of non-empty relations from, I'll go for this one. How to calculate the inverse function? Inverse function. Anybody else inverse function? Working rule, I'll tell you. Working rule to find inverse function. First you take, let f of x equal to y. Second one, find x. Third one, let x equal to f inverse of y, and fourth one, put y equal to x in f inverse of y. So this is the method. Now I'll go for let f of x equal to y, then 2x plus 3 equal to y, 2x equal to y minus 3, x equal to y minus 3 by 2, x equal to what? F inverse of y equal to y minus 3 by 2. Put y equal to yx. So f inverse of x equal to x minus 3 by 2. So which is the right option? First option is the right option. Any problem, let them give, we can calculate. Now, can you do this one example I'll give you? F of x equal to log x base 3, find f inverse x. F inverse of x. How to do my f inverse of x? How to find? Which one is correct? Yeah, but one and on to both we can check it. But they're asking to get inverse function number. That inverse function also we have to write formula. Okay, bro? Right, formula. Rakshita, yes. Formula. Yes. Now, let f of x equal to y log x base 3 equal to y. Remove the log, no? 3 power y equal to x. Right? So 3 pi y equal to f inverse of x. Then f inverse of y. So put y equal to x. Then you will get 3 power x equal to f inverse of x. This is your answer, right? Okay. This is about the inverse. Right. Now I'll go for some domain problems. No? Domain and range. This question is given in previous JEE mains. They may ask for us also. The domain of this function. Right. There are two functions are given. No? The two functions, we have to identify which is the right values of x such that the function can be defined. Now, for sine inverse of x, domain is what? X belongs to -1 to +1. Sine inverse of x minus 3. So x minus 3 lies between where? -1 to +1. Add 3. So you'll get 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Correct? You keep it as this result as this. Next, 9 minus x square should not be 0. If it is 0, not defined. That's why only positive value will be there. Now this is again inequality is there. 9 minus x square greater than 0. X square minus 9 less than 0. So x plus 3 into x minus 3 less than 0. X plus 3 into x minus 3 less than 0. What is the critical point we have? -3 plus 3. Right? Draw the number line. Draw the number line. So minus infinity plus infinity. So between -3 and +3. So you'll get less than 0 means negative. So wavy curve method. So wavy curve method, what we have to take it? Infinity to 3. Now this one again minus. Therefore, plus, then minus, then plus, negative we require. So x belongs to -3, 3. Equal is not there. Keep open interval. Now we have to take the common to both. Common to both. We will take one below the other. Options are what? Between -3, 2, and 3, and 4, plus infinity, minus infinity. Then I'll go for the between 2 and 4. Between 2 and 4. And next, between -3 and +3. Right? So where we have the common part where we have that, we need to, this is the common area, you'll get it. Right? So your answer is this one, between 2 and 3. So x belongs to 2, 3. Right? 2, 3 is open interval. No? This open interval also we can represent it as another form is opposite to the closed one. Like this also will represent. Both are same answers only. 2, 3 open interval, 2, 3 closed interval. They have made it reverse mode. Right? Okay. Then, so second option is the right option. It should be, between 2 is included here. Yes. Sorry, the 2 is included. Two is included, no? Because here equal is there. So the 2 is included and 3 is not included. We can keep the circle like this, 2, 3. Tighter? Yeah, 1 second. Second. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? Anybody has a doubt? Sir, why is the brackets are outward in question number 9? Anonymous. So that is the open interval. We have another notation. No? So this is only for notation. Open interval A, B. If it is given, also we can write A, B. Okay, now it's clear. Bhavana, how did you get C option? Vidya, Rakshita, second option, she got it. Check it once, you people. Sharmila Reddy, 2, 3, got it. Got Rakshita. Clear, sir. Right. Next. Comes to the next question. I'll take one more problem with the domain concept. Right. What is the previous year's questions? Okay. Only one question is given. Yes. Okay. Now, next question I'll follow this way. And yeah, domain of sine inverse x. Domain of sine inverse of 5x. Domain of sine inverse of 5x. Now, what is the domain of this function actually? 5x lies between -1 and +1. Right? Divide with 5. -1 by 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by 5. So it is closed interval -1 by 5 comma 1 by 5 closed interval. Second option is the right option. Right? Now check it more. Rakshita, option B, Prajwal, option B, Bhagyasri, option B, Ramesh, options B, correct. Now, how to identify the given function is one, here one more question is there. Right, the domain of the function log of 1 minus x plus root of x square minus 1. 1 minus x means log of 1 minus x. So 1 minus x is always positive. Then x minus 1 less than 0, x less than 1, keep it as it is. So minus infinity comma 1, open interval. Then for root of x square minus 1 should be x square minus should be x square minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, because under the square root it should be a positive and it cannot be a negative. It can be 0. Root of 0 is defined, root of positive is also defined, but root of negative is not defined. That's why we can go ahead with this one. X minus 1 into, we can do the factors like this, less than or greater than or equal to 0. So greater than or equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to what? Minus 1. Put it on the number line. Put it on the number line. Number line. Now, what are the numbers is there? Here. So greater than 0 means positive. Minus infinity plus infinity. Minus 1 plus 1. Positive, negative. Plus, plus, negative. So between these two, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 comma infinity. So 1 is closed, infinity is open, minus infinity is open, 1 is closed. Now I have to take the common to both. So your answer will be minus infinity comma plus infinity. Right? So common to both, 1 is minus infinity comma minus 1, then 1 we have, right? So minus 1 comma 1, this is the one line. Another line is minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 comma infinity. 1 comma infinity. Now comes to this portion. Here you have common. Here you have common. Here you have common. But here you didn't have any common part in this one. So this the area is positive. Your answer is between these two. Between these two, therefore x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1. Closed, open. So which is the right option? Yes, fourth option is the right option. It's clear all of you? So these are all like, domain and range is completely conceptual questions. No, we don't have any shortcuts for this one. So where we have the shortcuts, I have explained the shortcuts. And other things we have to go for the general method only, right? Next. And first question, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. You can check. Yes. For real numbers x and y, we write x related to y, x minus y plus root 2 is an irrational number. Then the relation R is. Now what we can do is, reflexive means, reflexive is a comma a belongs to R. Then x minus y plus root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number. Therefore, I can write a minus a plus root 2 equal to root 2 is irrational number. True. Next, symmetric. Symmetric. And a comma b is belongs to R. Then b comma a is belongs to R. Now, a minus b plus root 2 is number, b minus a belongs to root 2. Right? So this one, what you can say? Right? A minus b and b minus a. Here we are getting as minus a minus b. Both are not coming to the same. Right? So that's why ruled out. Then comes to the transitive. Then I can say here it is a comma b belongs to R. B comma c is belongs to R. Then c comma a comma c is belongs to R. I think I got so many answers. Option 1 is correct. Yes, no. Not symmetric and not transitive. Correct. Prajwal, option D. Rakshita, option 4. Which question you have given, Rakshita? Yeah. Now can you check once again? A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, A comma C belongs to R. Right. Here A minus B is plus root 2 is irrational number, and B minus C is also irrational number. Then A minus C belong plus root 2 is irrational or not, we have to check. Correct. Now, here no, A minus C, we have to write A minus B minus B minus C or C minus B. Right, root 2. But if I write plus, it will not valid. If I write minus, even that BB will get cancelled, but A minus C I am getting here. Correct? Yes or no? But A minus B and C minus B. But here what is there? B and C is there. Here C minus B is there, ruled out. So the first option is the right option. Right. Next. Yeah. Now, next comes to this point. No? Right. How to get the range of the function? Anybody else? Range of the function given by x square by x plus 1 is a surjection, then a value. That means he is asking for output range or codomain. Correct? What is the value for this one? So how to do this one? First we have to go for let f of x equal to y. So x square by x square plus 1 equal to y. X square equal to x square y plus y. Then bring left side x square 1 minus y equal to y. X square equal to y by 1 minus y. Then x equal to root of y by 1 minus y. Root of 1 minus y. Correct? Then y by 1 minus y is greater than or equal to 0. Since it is the under the root, now I need to find the values for y. Output. Right? This I want it. Can I cross multiply here? Don't cross multiply the inequalities at any stage. At any stage. So that is minus y by y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So y by y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So y equal to 0 and y equal to 1 critical points. Then take the number line and between minus infinity to plus infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity, so 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So again, wavy curve method, plus infinity to 0, 0 to minus infinity, plus, minus, the plus, and here it is minus. Now I want less than, that is negative, open interval. So between these two, therefore y is belongs to 0 and 1, but here 1 is in the denominator, no? I should keep open. 0 is in the numerator, I can close. Because if I put y equal to 1, this function is not defined. If I put 0, it is true. So your answer is the fourth option is the right option. Is clear? All of you is clear on this one? Yes, option 4 is come. Rakshita, before, what is that? Rakshita? Right. Bhumika? Yes, sir. Right. Any other doubts in this one? Next. Domain and range of the function. Domain and range of the function. Right. Domain of this function means x minus 3 is not equal to 0. So x is not equal to 3. Domain. So you can take any real number except 3. Except 3. So we have r minus 3. Still I have to get this one, range. So to get this is the domain and range. Range is f of x equal to mod of x minus 3 by x minus 3. There is a one function we have, f of x equal to mod x by x. It is x by x when x is greater than 0, 1. When x is less than 0, then minus x by x, then you'll get minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1. So we are getting here. Then what we have to take is x greater than 3. Then x minus 3 by x minus 3. It is 1. Take x less than 3. Then minus of x minus 3 by x minus 3 is minus 1. Then your answer is the second option is the right option. Right? Next. Is clear all of you? Okay, Rakshita. Understood. Bhumika, yes. Next. Right, one function onto function. How you will check here? For one function onto function. How to check more? The function f map R to R defined by f of x equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is 1 but not onto but not 1 both 1 and onto, neither 1 nor onto. How to do more? What is that? 1 means what? First I'll check 1. You cannot apply that formula. F of x1 equal to f of x2. Right? So I'll go for f of x equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Take f of 1, you will get 0. F of 2 will get 0. But f of 1 is equal to f of 2, but 1 is not equal to 2. It's not 1, 1, right? It's not 1, 1. Different elements should have different images, sir. But 1 and 2, we have what? Same image. 1 and 2 have same image. Right? Same image. So not possible for what? 1, 1. Correct? Not possible for 1, 1. Use the definition as much as possible. Different elements should have different images. So don't use f of x1 equal to, you'll be caught. You'll not get in the proper way to get the answer, right? Some of the questions are okay, but using this one, you cannot trace out properly. Ruled out. Next comes to onto. Onto means there are two definitions we have. Definition 1, we have, in the definition 1, every element in B, there exists at least one pre-image in A, right? That is onto function. Then definition 2, range of the function, range equal to codomain. Range equal to codomain. Range equal to what? Codomain. Right? Now, if you see this one, f of x equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. I'm not going for the second definition, too complicated. I'll go for f of 1, 0. F of 5, I can go for with 4, 2, 3, and 2. Real number, you will get it. F of minus 1, it is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is also defined. Everything you will get real numbers all. So you will get real numbers. Therefore, we have to see that range equal to what? Codomain. Range equal to codomain. So it is 1, 1, also onto, where we have right. Second option is the right option. Is clear on this one? Bhumika, Prajwal, yes, Sandhya, anonymous, Prajwal, codomain equal to range for domain, Sandhya, second option you got it, right. Codomain equal to range, right. Understood, right. So, next. Right. Next one, we have sets, relations and functions are over. Then we'll go for the complex numbers now. Complex numbers. Complex numbers. Right. The first one, z equal to a plus ib, which is a comma b. You want any other problems now? Now I am going for complex numbers. Z equal to a plus ib, a comma b. Now, a real part of z is a, imaginary part of z is b, and I is notation for root of minus 1. I square is minus 1 notation. Next, purely real. purely real means that imaginary part will be 0. So I'll write RE of Z is 0. RE of Z is 0. So that means no, imaginary part of Z is 0. Imaginary part of Z is 0 because Z equal to A. Then next, purely imaginary and real part of Z is equal to 0. Therefore, Z equal to IB. Next comes to this point. Comes to the second point. Next, purely imaginary conjugate of Z. Conjugate of Z is taken as Z and Z bar A plus IB, A minus IB, X minus IY, X plus IY, 2 plus 3I, 2 minus 3I. It's a conjugate. 4 minus 5I and 4 plus 5I. It's a conjugate. Right? Now comes to the modulus of Z. Modulus of Z is, I'll write Z bar, sorry, modulus of Z. In that, A plus IB can be written as root of A square plus B square. A minus IB can be written as root of A square plus B square. 3 plus 4I can be written as root of 9 plus 16 is 5. And 4 minus 4I, 3I can be written as 16 plus 9 is 5. Right? Now, so this is about conjugate of Z and modulus of Z. Now I am going for the properties now. In the properties, you might have understood that mod of Z is equal to mod of Z bar. Just check it. Mod Z, A plus IB, its conjugate is also same. Both are same. Next, you can see Z into Z bar is mod of Z square. Very important role. Z into Z bar, mod of Z square. Right? Next. Now, we can go ahead with the, integral powers of I. Some properties I will explain here. Properties. Very useful. Daily you people read shortcuts, formulas. Every day you need to spend half an hour time for mathematics formulae, physics formulae, chemistry formulae, and bio, important terms, meaning. Right? If you read daily, by that time you have still 1 month time is there. You can start preparation reading formulae. So almost if you know the formulae, you can enhance your score. Suppose if you don't know the formulae, you know method of doing, but if you don't know the formulae, then you lose the marks. There's no option, right? Because of the formulae, you should not lose the marks. At least you try from your hand, revising the formula every day. Okay, na? Rakshita, Bhumika, Sandhya, Prajwal, Vidya, Ramesh, Anonymous, Bhumika, Rakshita, Vaishnavi, Charmila, right? Then Sandhya, Bhagyasri, Ramesh, Krishnamurthy, tell me mom. Vidya, right? Read daily formula, definitely you will reach your goal, at least. Right? Now properties. First one, Z into Z bar equal to mod of Z square or mod of Z bar square. Very, very important. Second one, mod of Z power n is same as mod Z whole power n. Third one, mod of Z1 by Z2 is same as mod of Z1 by mod of Z2. Then mod of Z1 plus Z2 plus so on Zn whole bar is same as mod of Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar. Yeah, Vaishnavi, tell me more. Z3, yeah, drop the message more, Vaishnavi. Zn bar. Vaishnavi, drop the message for Bhumika. Sure, sir. Yes, ma'am. You follow the things, definitely you can enhance 5 to 10% the marks which you are going to improve. Right. Fifth one, mod of Z1 into Z2 into Z3, so on Zn is equal to mod of Z1 into mod of Z2 into mod of Z3, so on mod of Zn. Right? Okay. Then next, sixth one, mod of Z1 by Z2 whole bar is same as mod of Z1 bar by mod of Z2 bar. Both are same. Right? So the next, integral powers of I. Integral powers of I. Integral powers of I is I power 1 is I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4 is 1. I power 4n is equal to 1. I power m, we should write multiples of 4. If remainder possible, then I power 4 cube is 1. I power r depends on the r value, you will get it now. Say for example, I power 7. You can write I power 4 into 1 into I power 3. That equal to I cube is how much? Minus I. Like this. Then if it is I power 20, 23, how to write? I power 4 into 50, 505 I cube. That again you will get minus I only. Right? Now tell me I power n, I power n plus 1, I power n plus 2, I power n plus 3 equal to how much? Can you give the answer? I power n plus I power n plus 1, I power n plus 2, I power n plus 3 plus. What is your answer? What is your answer? Anybody else? Somebody has given. Sir, explain integral powers. Again, I did not understand, sir. Okay. Integral powers means integers, powers of I is integers. Right? So I power 1 is I only, no? I square is minus 1. I cube is what? I cube is I square into I. I square is how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 into I minus I. I power 4 is I square into I square is minus 1 into minus 1 is what? Plus 1. We got it or not? Yes or no? Next. Now, multiples of 4. I power 4, I power 16, I power 24, divisible by 4. You will get always 1. That is what I power 4 and I give. Right? Is it clear? Yes. Next one. What is the I power n plus I power n plus 2, I power n plus 3, I power n plus 4? Now speed up. I'll give you 1 minute time. What is the answer? Can you guess and can you solve it and let me know? Go. Speed up now. What is your answer? Huh? Vaishnavi, tell me, ma, what is the answer for this one? Who can give the answer for this one? I'll check. I power n plus 1 will the answer. Bhagyasri I is given. Prajwal 0 is given. Rakshita I power n minus I power n minus I. Rakshita Ramesh 1 is given. Okay, now I will tell you more. So this answer is 0, you will get it. So how you will get the 0? I will tell you. Take I power n common. I power here 1, I power 1, I square, I cube. So I power n 1, I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I. They'll get cancelled. You will get 0. Check it. Right? Now, can you guess the value of this part? I power 2023, I power 2024, I power 2025, I power 2026. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. What is the answer? You got it? 0, 0, 0. Yogesh has given 0. Anonymous man is given 0. Any other people? Prajwal is given minus I. Bhumika is given I. Sorry, 0. Sandhya. Rakshita. Speed up, mom. What is your answer? Speed up, mom. I'll check. Yeah, Bhumika is given 0. Amulya is given 0. Ramesh is given 0. Vidya 0 is given. Yes, 0 is right. Here I want to tell you one shortcut. Vaishnavi, yes, tell me what you want. Vaishnavi, what do you want, mom? Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi. I'm not getting your Sarvesh. Yes. Now here I am giving one shortcut. No? If the powers of I is consecutive integers. No? So here I power n, I power n, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. All are the consecutive integers. No? Then the value will be 0. Then the value will be what? 0. Right? Now here also 2023 and 2024, 2025 all consecutive integers. No? That value is 0. Next. Argument of Z. No? What is the argument of Z? Argument of Z. Argument of Z is argument of Z, or you can say amplitude of Z, amplitude of Z, or you can say Z makes an angle, Z makes an angle with real axis. No? With real axis. All are same meaning. Right? So any idea about it? How to calculate? Anybody else? Anybody? People are forgot concept solve complex numbers. Say from this one you will get very easy questions. You can definitely get the answers easily. Right? Argument of Z. So argument of Z represent, if you take that argument, Argand plane. You know the Argand plane. What is the Argand plane? What is the Argand plane? Yes, I will explain the Argand plane. Yes. Now this is Z A comma B. I am taking Z equal to A plus IB is the complex number. And this is B, this is A, and this is the theta, and the distance between origin to that point is A square plus B square or modulus of Z. Both are same. Theta equal to tan theta equal to B by A. Theta equal to what? Tan inverse of B by A. It is called the argument of Z. Also, theta lies between minus pi to plus pi. Now that depends on the quadrants. So that again I will draw the diagram. If it is the first quadrant, then theta will be tan inverse of mod B by A. Then quadrant 2, theta equal to pi minus tan inverse of B by A. And if it is third quadrant, theta equal to minus of pi minus tan inverse of B by A. Right? Then theta equal to minus tan inverse of B by A. Right? So something went where it went. Yes. Mod of minus B by A. 1 minute. Yes. Minus tan inverse of B by A. Okay. Now, sometimes it may lies any one of the axis. No. Any one of the axis means like it may be an real axis, it may be imaginary axis. No. Suppose the point is A comma 0 on real axis, 0 comma B, 0 comma minus A, and 0 comma minus B. So this is 0 angle, pi by 2, and pi and minus pi by 2. Right? So this is about the angles which we can take it. Right? Now suppose if I say z equal to -1 minus I, what is the argument of z? Argument of z equal to, it is belongs to -1 comma -1, belongs to which quadrant? Third quadrant. So we'll get it as third quadrant means what is the formula? Minus of pi minus tan inverse of mod of -1 by -1, then minus of pi minus tan inverse of 1 is minus of pi minus pi by 4 is minus 3 pi by 4. This is your answer. Right? So this is about the argument. Say argument of minus I, then so minus I can be written as 0 comma -1, which lies on negative imaginary axis. Then this value is minus pi by 2. Just you have to recognize that where it is lies quadrant on real axis, imaginary axis, we have to see. Okay. Now this argument is completed. So any doubts are there till now? Any doubts, ma? Sarvesh, Bhumika, Bhagyasri, Sandhya, Amulya, Vidya, Sandhya, Vaishnavi, Rakshita. Any doubts, ma? Right. No more doubts. And Rakshita, you have given I for 2024. What, Rakshita? Which question you gave, ma? I power I power 2024 you have given. You want the answer for that? Rakshita, can you drop a message? No doubts, no sir. Bhumika, sir, please explain. 1 second. Which one, Sandhya? Which one, ma'am? Can you drop a message? Can you drop a message, ma'am? Sandhya, all means what? Right. Okay. Now the argument of z. If I given the any number, argument of z means you need to find the angle. When you want to find the angle, we should see that tan theta equal to b by a, theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. Till here, there is no problem at all. First, we have to understand that z is lies in which quadrant. So I have taken the first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. The angles are coming to you. Theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. Second quadrant pi minus. Third quadrant minus of. Second and third quadrant will be opposite in sign. First and second will be opposite in sign. Next. Any complex number, we have to write a plus ib. We are going to write a comma b. Now when I write -1 minus I, so -1 comma -1, which is both are negative, comes to which quadrant? Third quadrant. So third quadrant, I should take the formula is minus of pi minus tan inverse of b by a. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, you will get minus 3 pi by 4. Now I ask argument of minus I, we have to write 0 plus minus 1 into I. So that is nothing but 0 comma minus 1 lies on real axis. This is called the real axis. No? X axis is called real axis. Y axis we say imaginary axis. No? So this is negative imaginary axis is there. So minus pi by 2 I give the answer. Now it's clear, Sandhya? Sandhya, it's clear there? Right. Yes. Okay. Next, we'll go for the some problems I will take no? With the and before doing of this one, no? I'll go for it takes 1 or 2 seconds. Let me check. Yes, ma'am. Before doing this problem, I want to explain the few more concepts. And here concepts are more, but problems are very easy. Ma'am. Now, next, polar form. Polar form is what? Z equal to polar form or trigonometric form. Also, we say trigonometric form. Also, we say mod amplitude form. Mod amplitude form. Mod amplitude form. Z equal to A plus IB. We have to write into this form, that is R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Then we write it as R is mod of Z, it is nothing but root of A square plus B square. Theta is called argument of Z. Just now we have calculated how to calculate the argument of Z. Now you know how to calculate R or how to calculate argument of Z. Suppose now I want it Z equal to, I'll write 1 plus 1 plus I. So it is 1 comma 1 belongs to the first quadrant. Then theta first I'll calculate argument of Z, correct na? So first quadrant is what? Tan inverse of B by A is tan inverse of 1 by 1 is pi by 4. Next, mod of Z is nothing but R root of 1 plus 1, 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. Therefore, we can write Z equal to, you know the formula, I'll write formula, Z equal to R is how much? Root 2. Theta is what? Pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. This is called a polar form. So the whole complex number 1 plus I can be written as root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. It is the same only, just we have written in the other form. That's all. Next. Now, 1 plus I by 1 minus I. How to write? So 1 plus I by 1 minus I, you should write as, multiply and divide with its conjugate. 1 plus I by 1 plus I equal to 1 plus I plus I plus I square is equal to I square, 1 will get cancelled. I square is minus 1. I plus I is 2I. Denominator 1 square minus I square is equal to 2, that equal to I. Next, 1 minus I by 1 plus I, you will get minus I. This you try later, minus I. So both you need to remember directly, because when you are doing the problems, you should know. Now we'll do the problems with the previous examination questions. right? So you'll come to know how they are asking the questions, right? First, I'll do the question number 90. They asked in the 2015. Right. This question, and here it's not the plus, no, it is into. It's not plus, it is into. Right. Now I gave one formula. Mod of z power n is mod z whole power n. You need not to simplify. Just you take the modulus. Modulus of z is equal to mod of root 3 plus I whole cube, mod of 3i plus 4 whole square by mod of 8 plus 6i whole square equal to root of 3 plus 1 whole cube into root of 3 square plus 4 square whole divided by root of 8 square plus 6 square. Okay. I'll save this one. Root of 8 square plus 6 square whole square. Now that equal to root of 3 plus 1 is root 4 is 2 cube is 8. Then 16 plus 9, 25, square root of 25 is 5. Then it is square and root will get cancelled 25. Then this is 10, 100 you will get 25, 4 times 4, 2 times cancel. So C is the right option. Right, children? Got it? Hemastri, I got it. Sandhya, Hemastri, how you got I? Sandhya is Bhumika. Okay. Next question. 91 is also asked in 2015 only. But generally they'll ask one question only. Sometimes they'll change their mindset to ask the questions. 91. Right. Alpha square plus beta square. He has given if alpha and beta are the roots of x square minus ax plus b square equal to 0. Very simple question. You know the formula is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Sum of the roots is what the formula? Minus b by a. Product of the roots is what? C by a. So you can keep highlight for this one. Then they have given the question is x square minus ax plus b square equal to 0. Sum of the roots is a. Product of the roots is b square. Then they want it alpha square plus beta square. That equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We can write like this. Minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square is how much for? A square minus 2b square. That's it. So first option is the right option. The questions are not so difficult here. Easily you can score. Right? Next. So this concept already I have explained in the last class. Only I think that day Rakshita I didn't see. Okay. Rakshita is there in the line? Rakshita?
Sir, Rakshita's internet is having a problem.
Okay, okay, sir.
He has left the class in between.
Okay,
We'll
okay,
be
sir.
sending the recordings to her.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Right. 1 minus omega plus omega square, 1 plus omega. Last class I told 1 plus omega square equals 0. 1 plus omega square is minus omega and 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. Already we have studied. Therefore, 1 minus omega plus omega square into 1 plus omega minus omega square. So I will write 1 plus omega square is minus omega and 1 plus omega is minus So this is minus omega and this is minus omega square. We'll write minus omega and minus omega square that equal to minus 2 omega and minus 2 omega square equal to 4 omega cube. Omega cube I gave as 1. So this is D is the right option. Omega cube is 1. Omega to the power of 3n is also 1. Right? Next. Questions are very simple. Right? Next, 94. 94. Already we have done. What is the answer for that? Is 0. Right? Yes, Amina, Prajwal, Sandhya, 92 answer is 4. Sandhya V. Hema, sir, it is a reply to previous formula. Okay. Right. Amina, your raised hand. Is there any doubt for you? 95. This is also a very good question, ma. 1 plus I 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power m equal to 1, ma. 1 plus I by 1 minus I. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I can write I. Already we have proved. This value we know it is I. So m equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to get, if m equal to 4, then I power m will be 1. I power 4, you will get 1. So C is the right option. Right? So the question is given 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power m equal to 1. Correct? Right? Okay, m equal to 4. Ramesh. Clear. Next. We'll go for the next question. One minus I by 1 plus I whole power 96 equal to A plus IB. 1 minus I means what actually? Minus I whole power 96 equal to A plus IB. That is 96 the even number. I power 96 equal to A plus IB. So I power 96 is 1. Since I power 4n will be 1. I power 96 can be written as I power 24 into 4. So 4 into 24, that value will be 1 equal to A plus IB. So 1 can be written as 1 plus 0i equal to A plus IB. Therefore, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. So which is the right option? A equal to 1, B equal to 0. So second option is the right option. Simple questions, easily you can score. There is no doubt. Whatever the concepts I explained, just you go through, practice them, definitely you'll reach. Right. Now, you can go for alpha and beta, the roots of the equation, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then alpha square plus beta square. Same. Now, alpha plus beta equal to minus 1. Alpha into beta equal to 1. We know the formula. Again, alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So that equal to alpha plus beta whole square means what? 1. 2 alpha beta is 2 into 1. Right? So that equal to minus 1. D is the right option. Correct? Yes or no? Right, 97 answer is minus 1. Very good, Sandhya. Ramesh, second option. Check it, Ramesh. Sandhya, check it once again. Achha, you have 96, that answer B. Correct. Next. Then this is a different question, but it is easy. Nothing is difficult in this one. Now z equal to x plus iy, then the equation mod of z plus 1 equal to mod of z minus 1 represents what? So put z equal to x plus iy, put z equal to x plus iy, then mod of x plus iy plus 1 is equal to mod of x plus iy minus 1. Then x plus 1 plus iy is equal to x minus 1 plus iy. Then, so both the sides we have modulus, then root of x plus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square is same as x square and root will get cancelled on both the sides. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square. Therefore, what are and will get cancelled? X square plus 1 plus 1 y square. No? Then it is 4x equal to 0. Then x equal to what? 0 you'll get. X equal to 0 is nothing but y axis. No? So your answer is D is the right option. Nothing is different here. Simple question only. Right? Next. Now the comes to the, now who can give this answer for this one? 99. Right, speed up no 99. 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power x equal to 1. Then how to do? Anybody else answers? Right, fourth option D. Bhumika is given for x plus y equal 0. Prajwal, how you got x plus y equal 0? Mo? Okay. Prajwal, Bhumika, check it, ma. B option, D option. Chetan, sir, how can we see the recorded classes, sir? Wagli, sir.
Once the session is over, I
Sir.
will be putting a recording link in the group. Dear students, need not to worry. What will happen is once the session is over, I will put the recording link. The yesterday's link is remain same for today's also. It's a YouTube recording which has been done. You can just click on and listen to the recorded version. Also, Mallikarjun sir, any notes is there, you can share it to me.
Yes, sir.
In the faculty group.
Okay, sir.
WhatsApp group, so that I can share in the group.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole per x equal to 1. Then, so this is nothing but what? I power x equal to 1. This result I know. I power x. When you'll get 1, which option? D is the right option, right? If you put x equal to 4n, then I power 4n is 1. So option D is right. Next. 100th question. Is asking that 3x plus this one. Equate real part to real part. Imaginary part to imaginary part. Then 3x equal to 6, x equal to 2. Very simple question they asked last year, no? 4x minus y equal to minus 1. Then put x equal to 8 minus y equal to minus 1. Then it is 9 equal to y. So 2 comma 9 is the right option. Second option is the right option. Right, children? Any doubts in this one? Complex numbers is clear? Is it clear, all of you? Shall I go for the next topic? Voice is not audible. Is it true for others? Is it true for others? Yes, sir. Voice is audible or not? Sandhya, can you drop a message more? Yes or no? Voice is audible or not? Yeah, I think some problem is with. Yeah, Bhumika also clear, Vaishnavi also clear. Yes. Prajwal, can you check your network? Right. Now, complex numbers concept is clear. Now I'll go for the trigonometric form. Trigonometric form, I will give you shortcuts how to use them. Right? Just take a 1 minute time. Yes. Right, trigonometry. So beautiful shortcuts we have. The value of sine 10 degrees plus sine 20 degrees plus sine 30 degrees plus so on sine 360 degrees equal to what? Right? Now, so I'll take the first question. So I'll go for the next slide. Right. Now I'll take this question, sine 10 degrees plus sine 20 degrees plus sine 30 degrees. So on sine 360 degrees is equal to. Right? Now what we need to do is, if A plus B equal to, if A plus B equal to 360 degrees, then sine A plus sine B is 0. Sine A plus sine B is 0. Right? This is point number 1. The second point is, if A plus B equal to 180 degrees, then cos A plus cos B equal to 0. Right? Now I'll go for this question. Now the question I can write sine 10 degree, sine 20 degrees, sine 30 degrees, plus so on, sine 330 degrees, sine 340 degrees, sine 350 degrees. 1 minute, I'll write. Sine 350 degrees. Sine 350 degrees plus sine 360 degrees. Now A plus B means A and 350 become what? 360. That value is 0. Sine 20 and sine 340. 20 and 340, 360 combination. 30 and 330, 360 degrees combination. Anyhow, this value is 0. Here is also 0, 0. Everything you will get as 0. Sin 90 is 1 times sin 270 is -1. So +1 -1 will get cancelled. Will get the final answer is what? 0. First option is the right option. Right? Now, they asked one previous year question. Just let me check one by one. Then, second question. Second question. Right? Second question. The value of cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, so on cos 100 degree is what? Now, who can give the answer for this one? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? For the second question, answer is 1. No. -1. No. 0. Bhumika is correct. Sandhya is correct. Why it is 0 is correct? 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, so on. Cos 90 also is there, correct? Cos 90 is how much? 0. Then product of 0 is what with the other numbers? 0 you'll get. So second option is the right option. Correct? Good. Next. Very interesting question on this one. Very, very interesting. So this question I want to give you a shortcut here. If A plus B equal to 90 degrees, then point number 1, sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1. Second one, cos square A, cos square B equal to 1. Third one, tan A into tan B equal to 1. Tan A into tan B. For sin square A plus sin square B equal to 1. For cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1. For tan A into tan B equal to 1 more. Right? Now, how we can write this question now? So that is sin square 5, sin square 10, sin square 15, so on, sin square 75 plus sin square 80 plus sin square 85 plus sin square 91. Now I can go for the combination like this now. 5 and 85 is 1. 10 and 80 is 1. Again 90 degrees. 15 and 75 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. Right? I'm taking the combination is 5 and 85 gives 1. 10 and 80 gives 1. 15 and 75 gives 1. 20 and 70 gives 1. 25 and 65 gives 1. 30 and 60 gives 1. And 35 and 55 gives 1. 40 and 50 gives 1. And 45, only one value is there. No? 45 won't be two terms here. Because 5, 10, 15, up to 40, 45, 50 like that. Only one is combination. That is 1 square is become 1. Sorry. Sin 45 is what? 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 whole square. That equal to 1 by 2. Now how many are there? Sin 90. 90 is what? Directly 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 9.5. C is the right option. So anybody is given, I'll check. A, which question you have given, ma? Option C. Bhumika, Sanjay. Option C is given many of the people. Yes. Third option is the right option. Good. Good improvement. And next one. Now another shortcut I am going to give you. What we can give, sine x plus cos x equal to 2, then sine power nx cos power nx is also equal to 2. No, not sine, that not cos, cosecant. Reciprocal I should take her. Reciprocal, cosecant and cosecant. Right? Then cos x secant x equal to 2. Then cos power nx secant power nx equal to 2. Then tan x plus cot x is equal to 2. Then tan power nx plus cot power nx is equal to 2. Right? So this is the way we can write these shortcuts. Now I'll give you questions. Then you can tell me what is your answer. The sixth question, I'll take it. Yes. Yeah, tell me what is your answer. Drop the message, speed up. Drop the message. Bhumika, Sandhya, Vaishnavi, Ramesh, Anonymous. Speed up, mom. Prajwal. Speed up. Bhumika. Option A. Option B. No, just now I gave one shortcut, right? What is the shortcut is shows here? What is the shortcut shows here? Tan x plus cot x equal to 2. Right? So reciprocal is given. We can go ahead with the 2 only. Here will not get 2 power n. Okay, right? This is a cosecant, not the cos, cosecant. Right? Next. Then one more question, I'll take it. So we'll go for the previous year's questions. Right. 2020, they asked one question. Yeah, what is your answer, ma? Sin square 51 plus sin square 39. What is the value? Anybody else? Speed up. Speed up, ma. Bhumika, yes, you're absolutely right. Bhumika, Ramesh. First option, Sandhya is correct. Right. So already I gave the shortcut. 51 plus 39 is 90 degrees more. So your result is 1. First option is the right option. Next. This also I gave this shortcut. Tan A plus cot A more. Then the value of tan power 4A plus cot power 4A is also equal to what? Which is the right option? Give fast answers. What is your answer? Option A. Ramesh is 2. Yogesh is option A. Sandhya. Vaishnavi is given. Sandhya. Sanjana. Vishwaraj. Amog. Surabhi. Fast answers you have to give. So this is also 2. Right? Over. Next. Now I'll go for, this is the normal question. You can do easily. Yes. Can you try this question more? 1200 how to write is 3 into 360 plus 120. Correct? Then I can write cos comes in the first quadrant, cos 120 degrees. Yes, Nagapriya, tell me. Nagapriya. Nagapriya, tell me which is the right option? Bhumika, first option is given. 1485. 1485 can be written as 4 into 360 plus 45. Again comes in the first quadrant, tan 45 degrees. No. Cos 120 is minus of, tan 45 is 1. It's off. It's the answer. First option. Correct, Bhumika. Right. Next. Now the 56. Can you give fast? 56. Yes. What is the answer, Mo? 56. Anybody else? Bhumika. 3/2. Nagapriya. No, it is not 3/2. Check it, Yogesh. A is given 0. Bhumika. No. Anonymous said 0 you have given. Wrong. Here, A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Correct? Then the result is what? 1, no. Tan A into tan B equal to 1. Therefore, 1 into 1 into 1. Correct? So 189 gives 1. 288 gives 1. Like this we have to go. All you will get 1, 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into so on. You will give 1 only. Correct? 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 Bhumika. It is coming full. Right. Okay, bro. Right. Anybody else? Anybody else, bro? Right. Next. $57. They have given that. Yes, trigonometry function y equal tan x in the second quadrant. So second quadrant, tan x values are what? Check it, it is negative 90 to 180. Correct? Correct? Second quadrant. So that comes to the positive because here it is what? Positive will get. Right? Now what is the values you are going to get? Or you can draw the graph. When you are drawing the graph of this function, right, then minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 Then I have to go for 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2, Nagapriya, raised hand. Right, let me check. So you'll get the curve is like this. Tan X graph is like this one. Then we have to go for, this is between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. And pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 180 degrees, it is 0. Then I'll get like this one. So he wants in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, what is the range? It is 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Now 90 to 180, what you are getting? 90 to 180. So it is approaching minus infinity to plus infinity. Correct na? So 0 it is increasing. So decreases minus infinity to, or decreases from 0 to infinity, increases from 0 to infinity, increases from minus infinity to 0. So this is the option you will get. Correct? Minus pi by 2 to 0. 180 degrees. This is 180. Correct? Next, I want to do the one more problem, which is this question. Very beautiful question. It has beauty. It has beauty means what? So simple, but looks like a complicated. It has its own style of this question. Anybody can give this answer, go? Anybody? Anybody more? Right. So I'll explain. Shall I wait for anybody who can give the answer, or shall I do? D is the right option. Nagapriya increases from west. Very good. Nagapriya has given correct answer. Right. Very good. Right. Bhavana has given 57th question D. Yes, correct. Right. Now for the 60th question. Now I can apply the formula. This is the formula which we have. 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a, half angle formula. Right? Now I can write 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 common 1 plus cos 8 theta. I'll give you shortcut also for this problem. 2 plus first will go for traditional method. 2 cos square 4 theta. Then again that you can take it outside the root. 2 plus 2 into 2 4. No? That is 2 cos 4 theta. Again I can take 2 common. 2 plus root of 2 into 1 plus cos 4 theta. Right? So this we can write it as that equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 into 2. 2 into 2, Nagapriya raised hand. Cos 2 cos square, which will get 2 theta. Bring outside the root 2 and 2 root also will get cancelled. Cos 2 theta. Again you can take 2 common, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to root of 2 into 2 cos square theta is equal to 2 cos theta. It is the third option is the right option. Now, shall I give the shortcut for this one? Shortcut. If you want, I'll give you. Otherwise, I'll not give. You should tell yes or no. 2 sin theta. Prajwal, wrong. 2 cos theta. Nagapriya has given correct. Vaishnavi. Yes, yes, yes. Everybody is waiting for the shortcut. Very good. Right. Yes, now I will explain the shortcut. So what is a shortcut means? Your answer is very simple, ma. In one step only you can give the answer. Is I'll write the root of 2 plus, root of 2 plus, root of 2 plus, root of 2 plus, so on, 2 cos theta, like that. N roots are given. Say n roots. Right? So what we can do is this one is formula. Your answer is 2 cos angle by 2 power n. N represent number of roots. Number of roots. What is your answer? 2 cos angle by 2 power n. Correct? Here how many? What is the angle is given? 8 theta. So what is your answer? 2 cos? I'll write here. I'll take the question again. Yes. Yes. What I can write here? 2 cos angle is how much more? 8 theta. How many roots are there? 1, 2, 3 roots are there. 2 cube. Your answer is what? 2 cos theta. Correct? Yes or no? Right. Now I will do one more question which is similar to this one. We have one question. Is here. Who can give the answer fast? Only your time starts now. Your time starts now. Give the question answer faster. Simplest form of 2 by root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 cos 4x. Who can give the answer fast? I'm waiting for your result. Sir, in 50s, A is option, right? Absolutely, you are in reaching analysis. Sandhya, sir, in 56th question, tan 90 is infinity, right, sir? Then how can we take 1 as answer? 190. Tan 90 is not given, no, ma. Up to 89 is given. Anonymous, up to 90 is given, not 90. A plus B equal to 90 degrees, tan A into tan B equal to 1, our shortcut. Not tan 90. I didn't give tan 90 is not defined. Correct? Anonymous. Option A, correct. Nagapriya, Ramesh. Good. So I can give the answer here is E by 2 cos 4x by 8. Correct? 2 will get cancelled. Secant x by 2. See how simple we have done. Right. So we'll meet in the next class more. Sir?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, sir? Any other people who are having doubts yet to clear?
No doubt. If at all any notes you wanted to give, you can share it in faculty group. So that if any notes is there, you can share in the faculty group.
Sure.
I can share it to the students group, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Dear students, tomorrow chemistry will be the class. Dr. Ravi Shankar, he'll be taking. Please be on time because it's very important. If you are missing beginning, no, you will not be understanding in entire class. Be serious. Each and every point discussed is going to be serious. And I really appreciate today's session. Thank you, Mallikarjun sir. Very nice session, very interactive. Students were enjoying. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Acha, recorded link I have shared in the chat box. Dear students, you can just click the link and listen to the recordings. The same link is going to be continuously for 30 days. In the same link, we are going to upload the recordings. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Right, sir.